hear over and over and over again from our reps that AAON is their key product that they have in our portfolio, and it's very important to them. And the reps that perform at the highest levels in our organization do it better than anybody else in the industry. I just felt that if we were to buy an award off of Amazon or wherever you get them, it just kind of cheapens the idea of giving an award for their performance. The awards that we give our reps are different. The first year that I decided to make all the awards, I had no idea what I was in for and had never done glass casting. And it turns out that it is a lot more difficult than I thought it would be.
Then that makes a total of how many molds for how many awards?
Well, it depends on how many you fail. You work at glass at about 1,500 to 2,000 degrees. It's starting to soften right now, and you can see it getting kind of rounded on the edges. You're dealing with very brittle materials that are fired at very high temperatures, and every year they are designed a little bit differently, and I try to push myself to make something that's bigger and more special. Cold working is manipulating the glass after it comes out of the kiln by grinding it and polishing it, and that is an immense amount of effort. To remove about 1 millimeter of glass takes about 5 hours of grinding. Well, I think the thing that drew me in was really enjoying glass art. I've always thought it was beautiful and wanted to learn how to make it. What I've told the reps in the past is they're entirely made out of glass, and we have examples of early Roman glass that are over 3,000 years old. And so if they take care of it and they pass it down, then their children's 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 children would know what a great air conditioning salesman they are. Similar to AAON equipment, no two awards are alike because they're made for you. We try to make them something that people want to have in their businesses and want to show off. Over the past few years, I see that there's new faces, new names getting awards. So it seems like people are listening to what we have to say and growing their businesses and winning. And that's kind of what part of the reason we do this is we want to draw attention to what AAON sees over the entire nation and rep force as things that make people's businesses successful and incentivize people to do those things. Well, that looks pretty good. All right. So I hope that the reps think that it's special. We're looking at them as a model of what we ask other reps to do. I love working at AAON. I love the team that we've got. That's why I care.